These might be the clackiest Wingtree to date. First thing I noticed was the scratch. These are very scratchy and comparable to Cherry Scratch. But these switches bottom out hard and stiff.
That's what she said!
They have a brittle feeling plastic and sound that reminds me of when KeyGeek B1 first landed. I've been hesitant to shoot this one as I don't have a good reference back-to-back switch to put it up against. It stands on its own. It's got a unique sound, different than MX Black's even though the Cherry Scratch is similar. Usually this Core Plus loves all the switches it's given and every switch sounds good with this board. However, this is the first time I'm hearing the board itself coming up through the switches. These switches lean towards a top mount sound even though it's PCB gasket mounted as usual. I'm not going to do a back-to-back today because I can't find a comparable switch where it would make sense. Like MX Black's is the obvious choice, but these are not like MX Black's. Even though they are 4.0 full travel, they still sound like long pole Clack. Have a listen. This is the Wingtree Camellia Soundtest. Spec-wise, these are listed as a PA66 housings top and bottom with a palm stem. It's a common combination, but the plastics they're using hit different. I don't know if they've been modified or enforced with fiberglass or what. Although these are 4.0 full travel, they appear to pull bottom out, giving a strong hit. It's a new signature sound, not usually heard here on this channel. Wingtree usually has soft plastics in sound and feel, but these are a departure. These ones are hitting much stiffer and harder.
That's what she said!
I've been tapping on this now for 24 hours. I don't usually put numerical values on a switch. They usually either slap or they don't slap. But if I had to, I would give this a solid 7.5, 8 out of 10. From a technical standpoint, there's no crap noises. These are a stock factory loop version. Apparently the dry version is even scratchier. At 30% off, these are worth trying. With the current Wingtree marketing push, you can get these switches 100% refunded just by posting on your socials for a short time. Under that umbrella, there's no risk at all in trying these for yourself. They're basically 30% off to try them, 100% off if you want to share them. Grab them at Unikeys, use code ShilohCutest for an additional 7% off. Give them a shot, 30% off, and then share on your Instagram, your TikTok, YouTube. All you have to do is DM DY with your order number and he will refund them back after he verifies your social share. And you get to keep the switches for free. It's a win-win situation. Thanks again, DY, for sending these out to check out. It's a very unique switch. It's very, very clacky and worth going to during the promo period. All right, next up, we're going to go back to the tournament, semifinal round 2.